Speaking cat today, focusing friendly.
Hi there, Eid Mubarak. Welcome to Infinity Artisanal. Today is Eid Day, but sorry to say, it's also shopping day. This Eid festival having pandemic situation, COVID-19, we are observing this holiday, these festivities. So this time, some of the students of spoken English, they are expressing their ideas. Please have a look.
Eid Mubarak. Happy Eid Day. Actually, today's Eid Day is very happy day for every Muslim. Actually, in this day, we gather together at mosque for salat. Next, we embrace with each other. Actually, in this year, we are celebrating our Eid al-Fitr in a different way. In this year, we prayed our Eid al-Fitr salat at mosque by maintaining social distance. Why? Only for COVID-19, I mean coronavirus. We don't embrace today. We don't go outside anywhere to visit any place only for COVID-19 coronavirus. We're enjoying our Eid at home with our family members. Actually, COVID-19 coronavirus is spreading very quickly. So I think we all have to stay home and enjoy our Eid with our family members. And we also should to pray Almighty Allah that Allah might save us from coronavirus. And we also should pray to Almighty Allah for the died people who died already in COVID-19, I mean coronavirus. So I hope by staying home, I think staying home we may prevent COVID-19 coronavirus, and we may enjoy this Eid al-Fitr with our family members. So no more today. Hope to see you soon. Have a good time. Put mask, sanitize your hand, maintain social distance. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.
Hey guys, Eid Mubarak. We are very pleased because it is Eid day. After month-long holy Ramadan, this happy day is come.
Eid Mubarak. I am Rabbi and I am a student of Western Academy. I hope you all are well. I am also fine. Today is the day of Eid after a long month of Ramadan fasting. Today is very special day for us. However, due to the current situation, we are not able to celebrate Eid as usual general Eid days. Because of that COVID-19.
Hello everyone, nice to meet you. Eid Mubarak. I am Rohan from class 9. Today I am going to tell you about Eid festival during COVID-19.
Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Nice to meet you. Good evening. Eid Mubarak. At first I woke up at early in the morning, then I went for bath. Then after taking bath I returned to my room and wear new clothes. You know that, yes, I'm wearing new clothes. And then I sprayed halal spray in all of my body. Then I met with all of my parents, grandma and my brothers and my cousins. After that we went to Moscow. We didn't went to go to Eidgah because it is one of the rule of COVID-19 that no one cannot perform their Eid al-Fitr Salah in Eidgah. So we went to the Moscow. Then after completing our Salah, I meet with each of my friends who are there in my home, friends, cousins and my parents by maintaining social distance. I didn't embarrass them, I didn't shake hands with them, so I meet him with social distance. Then I return to my home and I take again a bath because this is also a rule of COVID-19. You must have to wash your body and hands. Then I want to return to my home. Then I have some sweet dish, and after that I enjoy myself indoor in my home with my cousins and my brothers because I didn't have a stroll in my area because it is one of the rule of COVID-19 that stay home. For that I stayed home and enjoy myself with my brothers and cousins in indoor games like carom, ludo, and like internet games like Free Fire, etc. Then after enjoying myself, I have my lunch with my family. Then I have some special dishes in my lunch, because you know that it is a very important and holy day and a happy day for us. Then after finishing my lunch, I take rest, and that's all my all along activity in Eid al-Fitr. And you know that actually I enjoy myself. Actually, it is not as enjoyable Eid as like before, but I enjoy myself very much with my parents, family and cousins. So I suggest everyone to stay home, wear mask, sanitize hand and wash your hands, and stay home, stay safe. If I have any mistake, please pardon me. No more today. Hope to see you next. Bye.
Thank you so much for joining us. Hope to see you next. Before departing, I would like to request you, please sanitize your hand, wear masks and keep physical distance. Have a good time. Wish you best of luck. Bye.